because Andre was just too gummy last night, which I love, but sometimes mama needs her sleep. Anyways, we're going for his pediatrician appointment today, so I've been up since like 5-ish to feed him, and now I can't sleep, so I have to like pump and eat myself. I'm so tired, guys. Okay. Let's get the day started. To go. Thank God I was able to do this very brief 10 minutes makeup so I can look like a human being. Yeah, so this is the feeds for today. I really can't show you guys everything. The Hala taxi is waiting for us downstairs, so I'll see you guys outside. That my lashes epic failure. Look at it, guys. Russian just finished his pediatrician appointments, and now we're headed to Dubai Mall. I want to get like swaddle cloth for him. Like I have one, but he's taller. Dude is taller. Like he's way taller than it, so I need to get another one and force his hands into it. He likes his hands free, but for him to sleep better at night, I need to try something new. I'm really winging this mom stuff, if you ask me. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like a bunch of stuff at Dubai Mall. So right now I'm waiting for the taxi. Baby boy sleeping, and we are looking cute over here with ugly ass lashes.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing
So I think I'm going to look for Zara, because for the first time in a long time, when I mean a long time, more than 7 years, I'm going to the club. I need to go and look for a club outfit.
Club outfit?
Yes, because I must dress well. I'm not going to wear pajamas to the club.
Hey, you always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain.
I had to make like lunch when I got back. It took like an hour plus, yeah. I just woke up. Please pardon that noise that you're hearing is actually me pumping. So we're supposed to go to the club. This is so funny because going to club is so not my thing at all. I'd rather go to like restaurants, like, you know, fun places. Okay, not like club is not fun, because obviously club is fun, but I'd rather go to other places than go to the club, get smoke in my hair, listen to extremely loud music. I'm actually rethinking this because I'm so tired. I'm gonna try to go today. I'm just being a cow, trying to milk so that the baby can eat something that does not have alcohol in it, because yep, I'm gonna be taking alcohol. I've not had like alcohol for like 9 months, 2 weeks. Actually, I've not had alcohol for like 10 months.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day.
So guys, we're ready to go, and this is the outfit that we picked from Zara earlier on, and I really love the fact that we picked this particular one because it's screaming out of bondage. I'm joking, but it's screaming sexy. It's giving everything that it's meant to give. Skin, sexy, like, ooh, child. I think I pulled it off for the club outfits, even if I don't know what they wear there these days, because it's been a long time. It's been a long time. So I'm going to take some pictures downstairs because I cannot forget this feat, okay? That's my baby. Please pardon him. All right, guys. See. Oh, Andre, mommy's vlogging.
All in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me.
Yesterday was so much fun. So much fun that I could not even vlog. My getaway was well deserved. You might think I'm doing a lot of getaway, and when I say getaway, I mean like getaway for like 2 hours, 3 hours. In my previous video, I skipped a restaurant to have burger, and in this video, we hit the club to have fun. I love, oh my God, I cherish my mental health, as you guys already know. So the most important thing, whether you have a baby or not, just sometimes, do what makes you happy. Step out of the usual and just, do something new. You get something new. It just makes everything better. If you're feeling down or somehow or stressed, overworked, whatever, just, do something that makes you happy. And that is what I'm always sticking to these days, and it's so refreshing. Well, speaking of doing what makes you happy again, I'm gonna make pasta. The hubs is sleeping, Andre is sleeping, my sister is sleeping. I'm the only one awake. Why? I just want to make them something nice. It's a beautiful Sunday. We're tired of rice. So you guys are gonna cook with me, okay? Yeah, so we're just gonna go grocery shopping now. Pasta grocery shopping. Just a little bit. So the supermarket is just downstairs, which is one thing I love, not having to go all the way to another place or taking a taxi. The issue is, how am I going to push a trolley and a stroller together? Now that's going to be hard. Have to wing this. Done now and we're headed back home. I'm actually so excited to cook. Yeah, I love pasta, but what else is new? Today I really don't feel so good. Having some cramps. Just been in bed all day. I think I'm still recovering. Yeah. So I'm just having pizza. Trying this Papa John's pizza. Like normally I would have like Debonair's pizza. I'm always having Debonair's pizza. So today I said let me just try something new, and it actually bangs. So I think I'm going to try this Papa John's pizza again. How you guys doing? I don't think I've asked you guys. Oh, that's so terrible of me. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I don't have anything much to do for today or tomorrow. I'm just gonna be resting basically. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you haven't subscribed, Andre, stop. Sorry, baby. I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.